Yeah! Today I'm going to this outlying island with my friend Wally. He's over there. Yo, hello. Okay, this is my friend Wally, and we are going to Peng Chau together. And this is his first time visiting the island. Let's go! Okay.
The main way to go to Peng Chau is by ferry from Central Pier, and it usually takes around 30 to 40 minutes to get there. The island is smaller than Peng Chau and Lemon Island, and it has become more popular among locals in recent years because of new attractions.
I know nothing about the place.
Okay. According to the Wikipedia, there are 5,000 people in Peng Chau. Okay, so these are 5 of them, of the 5,000 people. Okay, so this is 0.1%. The island, it was kind of like a manufacturing town. They used to manufacture a lot of stuff here back in the days in the 60s and 70s. So as time goes by, so those factories closed down and now becomes an old relaxing place. See, well, this is awesome. I love this apartment. I think this is one of the landmarks of Peng Chau. Okay.
Peng Chau is a small island, more like a small town or small village, so even the main street isn't very big.
Okay, this is Wing Street. This is more like the main street, like the Nathan Road of the island. Okay, a lot of shops. Today is a Monday, so you can see this is kind of quiet. You know, they should be pretty crowded and with a lot of people during weekends. So weekdays is more like resting. They have Chinese doctor. They have souvenir shop. Okay, basically they have everything. Besides this museum, Monkey Chim, and there's a clinic. Basically, you can live here like without going to the city. Is fine, you know. It's a typical kind of developed island in Hong Kong. It's similar to Peng Chau or Lemon Island. Okay, so this is another attraction in Peng Chau. Yeah, like Peng Chau was manufactured big town, so they renovate this place. Into a more like an artistic area. People call this place a secret garden. Now it's sunset, so the light is beautiful. So every corner are Instagram spots. Okay. Before this was a factory, and someone loved this place and feels so kind of upset for leaving this such an old place, so she spent $3 million to renovate this place and become such an Instagram spot. Okay.
Later we went to a cha chan tang for afternoon tea. Cafes in outlying islands usually have something special on the menu comparing to those in the city to attract customers. I ordered a French toast with blueberries and green tea, milk tea, something like that, with red beans. They were awesome. Later, in another video, we'll visit the most famous shop in Peng Chau, and I found something I really like. So please make sure you subscribe to Hong Kong Guy channel for the latest video, and I'll see you next time.